In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your chart background in NinjaTrader. Now to do this, you want to open a chart inside NinjaTrader, so you can go to New up top left here in the Control Center, and you want to click on Chart, load up the chart you want, and hit OK. Now once you have your chart, you want to right-click on it, and then here at the very bottom, you can see Properties. Click on Properties or press Ctrl+T on your keyboard, which of course is going to be the default keyboard shortcut. And then when you open this, it's going to look like that. So it's going to say chart and of course then whatever instrument you have on there. And then if you scroll down a bit, you'll see under colors, there's the option to actually customize your chart background. So it says chart background and currently it's black. So I'm just going to click on that. And if you click on the drop down menu, there's going to be all the colors you could use. So for this example, we're actually going to go like, let's just do something like light purple. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to hit the apply button. And as you can see, there we go. I've successfully added a chart background to my NinjaTrader chart and now it looks different, okay? Of course, you can then go and change the crosshair label colors as well. You have the option to change the colors of inactive price markers, the text, data series watermark, and then of course the selected drawing marker as well. You can go ahead and change that. And then down here you have colors of different lines and stuff like that, which you can also change, okay? So that's how to completely customize your chart background in NinjaTrader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.